Okay, we're back for part 3 of Rain. Rainy. I'm really worried about but it's okay. It's okay. I gotta get 2 sticks. Sorry if it seems like I'm torturing the worm. I'm not. Just go that way now. Okay. I'm really concerned about him or her, so we're gonna go get her. Give him some dirt. Just to hide. Ah! My dog. Okay. Nothing to be concerned about right now. I don't think. Okay, I'm just gonna get her in there. Hope she's surprised with dirt. Without dirt, I mean. Where's the other roly poly? Oh no. The roly poly has successfully survived. Well. Oh my god, the main thing I want to get is leaves, but I don't know if there will be any out right now. We got y'all some more. Got y'all some, yeah. Oh my god. Roushies! Okay, whatever. Okay. Giant puddle here. Number 2. Oh my god, what is that?